Hello everyone, welcome to Journal Tech. At Microcenter, I got a deal I couldn't resist on DJI Spark, so I ended up buying it for $349 with the Fly More combo. Pretty good deal, huh? Anyways, I just wanted to share how easy it was to start flying with that drone. Let's take a look. Did I say easy? Actually, it was not that easy. This is second day with my Spark. I was so nervous on the first day that I forgot to press record button. I was afraid that it might fly away, so I tried it indoors, but it was a bad idea because the drone flipped 90 degrees somehow and I broke one of the blade. Look, this is the second day, so I kinda got a hang of it, flying outdoor. And this is me having fun. This shot is called drone mode. It flies backward and upward, but the camera is locked on the subject automatically. And don't worry, it'll come back to you once it takes a shot. And then this is called the rocket mode. It flies upward about 40 meters directly, and the camera is locked on the subject. And then I'm using palm launch here, trying out gesture controls. So this is like a Star Wars effect, and the drone is supposed to follow my hand, but looks like it's not recognizing my hand at this time. Okay, let's try again. Alright, now you're recognizing my palm. Move to the right, move to the left. Oh, it's not working. Move to the bottom. Okay. Right. Alright. Left, left, left. No, it's not working that well. You know, in commercials, they make it sound like it's so easy, but it's not. Trust me on this one. And then here's my wife and me. I locked the subject onto my wife using active track mode. In other words, follow me mode. And then I was looking up because there was a tree, but the spark was higher than I thought it was. And then this is a drone mode again. And then this is called Helix Mode, which is making circle around you and getting further and higher. But seems like when it doesn't recognize you, it kind of stops. So you always want to do eye contact with your DJI Spark whenever using this mode. Alright, on to the third day. I kind of got more used to it, so I decided to go further away with it. Can I cross the highway and go to that big construction site? DJI Spark might more than capable of going that far, but I was kind of chickened out because, what if the connection stops in the middle of highway? How am I gonna go get it? You know? But then I decided to try anyways. But this is how much I was able to go. It was outside of my comfort zone. And then we're now on the fourth day. DJI Spark has earned my trust, so I decided to take it more further away. Not on the highway still, because that's dangerous, but I could still fly on top of water. If it drops onto the water, I lose $350. But if it drops on the highway, my loss is way greater than 350. So I was willing to take the risk and fly further away. You can kind of see how it pauses when going away. It's not because I was scared, but the connection was lost. It kind of gave me confidence because when you lose a connection, it's not gonna drop. It's gonna maintain its position. All you have to do is to walk toward the drone. Now you can see how much confident I am with this drone because, I'm going up and down on top of the water. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video at this time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll look forward to talk to you again with another device. Bye.